Welcome guys. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to the simple way to repair your power button without opening your phone. Today I'm using my Techno W1. Yeah, you can see this W1, the power button spoiled, so I want to show you guys how you can do so. I'm trying to on it, but it doesn't power on. So let's get started towards this video. But before I go on, I'd like you to leave a like to this video, subscribe, share our videos. So let's get started. First, you have to find the button like this. You have to find the button, take it, when you take it, you place it around here. Make sure that is very tight. Got it. Let me place it once more for you guys to see very clearly. So after placing it, make sure it's well fitted to avoid the button shifting. So let's make sure that it's being placed very well, like I'm doing so. Try to be careful so as not to cut the power flex. So you see how fit it is. Then take your solder iron, gum it small around that area. Make sure it's do so gently. See, it comes very well. So let's try what we have just done. We then power it on. You see, it powers on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like I said earlier, subscribe, and please guys, subscribe. Also, any question you can email us at our email, and also find us at Facebook at Mr. Git Tech, at Instagram at Mr. Git Tech. So guys, please subscribe and share our videos. Once more, my name is Mr. Git. You're welcome to Mr. Git logo. So this is all I can say today. You see, I didn't lose the phone. You see, the phone warranty is still there. So thank you guys, and please I'm begging you, subscribe. Thanks.